Pablo Escobar's brother announces the Escobar Fold 2 amid claims that the Escobar Inc. is scamming buyers of the Fold 1. Following on from the Escobar Fold 1, Pablo Escobar's brother has unveiled the Fold 2, another inexpensive foldable smartphone by Escobar Inc. The Fold 2 starts at the US $399 for a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 SoC and up to a 512 GB of storage. Although Escobar Inc. has admitted that the device is a Samsung Galaxy Fold replica. The announcement coincides with the reports of the Escobar Inc. failing to deliver Escobar Fold 1 units and refusing to issue refunds, among other red flags though. In one of the stranger tech stories of the 2019, Pablo Escobar's brother launched a foldable smartphone and one that resembled the Royal Flex Pie. However, while the Flex Pie retailed for roughly $1,320, Escobar Inc. was asking a mere $349 for their Fold 1. Fast forward 2 months, and the company has now announced the Fold 2, a US $399 handset that bears an uncanny resemblance to the Galaxy Fold, a device for which Samsung charges nearly $2,000. According to the CNET, Escobar Inc. is able to offer these vast discounts on OEM pricing by sourcing units from secondary factories in China. Effectively, Escobar Inc. claims that there is repacking several Royal and Samsung stock before selling it cheaply. At least this is the story anyway. We have been unable to find any people online who have received the Fold 1 to date. On the contrary, forums like Escobar Fold 1 are literally with supports of the people receiving a book and a complimentary upgrade to the Fold 2 instead of the Fold 1 that they ordered. The note included in the box states that Escobar Inc. will start shipping the Fold 2 in the March. Except the Escobar Inc. seemingly has hardly any involvement in the Fold 1 or the Fold 2. On the contrary, the company's website states that the Pablo Phone Limited sells the Fold 1 and the Fold 2 under the license from the Escobar Inc. Pablo Limited Phone is a registered company in the UK, of which Pablo Escobar's brother is the sole director. If this did not all sound questionable enough, then Escobar Inc. has a history of failing to deliver on products and the services. In 2018, it launched Bitcoin, for example, a cryptocurrency that no longer exists, is also acting under the name of the now-dissolved Coin Legal Limited, briefly on the trademark to Bitcoin before Craig Wright declared the trademark his. More recently, it flamed through the technology for which Escobar Inc. threatened to sue Elon Musk for the $100 million sank without a trace. In short, the history of Escobar Inc. since its reincorporation in 2014 does not fill us with any confidence that the Fold 1 or Fold 2 will ever reach buyers. Hopefully, we are proven wrong too. Before go to the next video, please subscribe our channel and also click on the bell icon for the latest upcoming videos. And I think you should to follow me on the Facebook. Just go on Facebook right inside it and follow me.